अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं एक साइड डिश जो रोटी के साथ, पूरीज़ के साथ अच्छा चलता है। तो ज़रूर ट्राई करिए एंड फीडबैक ज़रूर दीजिए। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। To make this, I have used half a cup of chana dal. I had washed and soaked this for half an hour. Now add the chana dal to a pressure pan. Add 1.5 glasses of water, a pinch of haldi and half a teaspoon of salt. Cover and pressure cook for 2 to 3 whistles till the chana dal is cooked but remains whole. Once the 3 whistles are done, cool and drain the dal and keep the liquid aside. We will be using this later. Now take a pan, add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 green chillies slit, half a teaspoon of ginger paste and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute for a few seconds and then add half teaspoon haldi, quarter teaspoon salt because we have already added salt while boiling, half teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of zeera powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and half a teaspoon of amchur powder. Now to saute this, add a little of the dal water that you had kept aside and continue sauteing. Once it starts boiling, add 1 tomato finely chopped and cook till the tomato becomes soft. After around 5 to 6 minutes, add the boiled dal. Mix the remaining dal water and cook on medium flame for another 5 to 10 minutes. You can garnish with coriander leaves. Chane ki dal ka chakna is now ready. You can have it with chapatis, chawal ki roti, poori. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always listed in the description box. Thank you for watching.